bloke's advice, if you get a 3D printer and you get the bamboo one, there's lots to learn and lots to do before you even think about printing stuff out, because there's loads to learn. Before you print something out, because it might just turn into goop. So make sure you find someone who can help you and teach you when you download and buy plans, because they don't necessarily work out straight away. Lots to sort of figure out the best ways to print things and do it. So yeah, lots and lots and lots to learn, and